This is an PIR sensor. This is a microwave motion sensor. This is a mmWave presence sensor. What's the difference between them? Traditional PIR sensors mainly focus on accurate sensing of moving heat, adapt to daily basic scenarios. Microwave motion sensor, adopting microwave radar technology, higher sensing sensitivity. It effortlessly captures fine motion. The human body has a presence sensor. It uses 24 grams mmWave radar technology. It can directly detect human respiration, resulting thoracic undulations. Really do it whether still or asleep. Can accurately identify the existence of someone.